Generative AI really, simply put, it's a type of AI that creates new content based on what it has learned from existing content. So by unleashing a computer program to read all the data on the internet, whether it's Twitter or Reddit or blogs, I mean, there's a lot of information out there. It can learn from this existing content and train itself to build a statistical model of, if I've got a prompt, how can I respond to it statistically? Now, it doesn't mean it understands the concept of what a sunny day is, what a fragrance from a rose is, what it means to fly in an airplane, but it's become very good at being able to predict things that look human-like in their quality and accuracy. And this ability to create new content is complemented with the fact that because of this prompt interface, there's also a parallel revolution going on in how humans interact with machines. And that's equally consequential. Because remember, back in the first days of computers, people used to have command line interfaces. You'd have to learn how to type in a command line text. And when Apple introduced the GUI, the graphical user interface, that, holy hell, what a big deal that was. Arguably, that's what ushered in the era of personal computing and made a computer accessible to the everyday person. Well, now we've gone from graphical user interface to a natural language interface. And this is an even bigger jump, right? So today, if you use Microsoft Word, which I'm assuming most people have used at some point in their careers, the total number of possible menu items is around 2,000. And that's why, sometimes people get very annoyed when Microsoft changes the layout of Microsoft Word. Well, now you don't have to learn a UI. I mean, not that I think UI still will have a place, just like CLIs, command line interfaces still have a place. But now you can tell a computer in your normal human conversational way what you want to accomplish, and the program can work. So there's also this parallel revolution that's democratizing access. And I think that's a really important point here, because that is the lowest hanging fruit that many of the public companies in the universe are going after. And it makes a lot of sense.